Want to get real-time feedback on your manuscript? Here's how AI Review within Paperpal can help you. Start by accessing checks from the right-hand side panel and select AI Review. Think of it as a 24/7 peer reviewer that can give you instant, actionable feedback on your manuscript at any stage of writing. You can type your own custom prompt to get selective feedback, or choose from preset prompts, such as checking the scientific soundness of your document. AI Review reads your entire manuscript and generates an executive summary, categorized insights, and an assessment rating. For each insight, you get the location in your document, a rationale, and a before and after suggestion, so you know exactly what to improve and how. If you're not satisfied with the feedback, you can always restart. Save the feedback to revisit later, or start a new review with a different prompt at any time. All saved feedback is accessible from the top right corner. Get actionable feedback on demand. Try AI Review on Paperpal today.